and what is your name, sir?
Samson Skidmore.
Samson? Skidmore.
Samson Skidmore.
Are you married, Samson?
Hold on, I'm trying to get my magnet.
It's very nice. Where'd you get those?
My wife's Susie. My wife's Susie got them for me.
Oh, so you're married, Samson.
Yes, I am. Her name is Susie. Susie Skidmore.
How do you feel about Susie?
Susie is not of my life.
Ring! Ring!
I'm trying to take this. I'm trying to take this.
Okay. Samson! Samson!
Thank you, Susie.
What are you doing?
I'm shopping.
What are you buying?
Your love.
I told you to buy the moisturizer!
Susie.
Goodbye!
Susie, I'm there. You should buy the moisturizer. Susie. Susie. Goodbye, Susie.
Is that your wife?
I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay, would you like to say anything about Susie?
Susie. I love Susie.
You love Susie.
Susie, right in chest.
Your wife? Oh.
She bought me these magnets.
Magnet. How cute.
This one's a volt magnet. This one's Susie's wild side magnet.
Susie has a wild side. Why don't you tell us about that? Oh.
Excuse me? Like